happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So we're now looking at new photos of the Nike LeBron Custom. This is an LV Louis Vuitton custom made Nike Air Zoom generation. So we're looking at this overall picture of these custom shoes. I do think this is a nice overall shoe. It does feature that LV print that we're accustomed to seeing too on the upper. Around the toe box, we do see a checker pattern. The Nike swoosh is done in the LV as well with a nice brown outsole. You know, I think these, if they release these to the public, you know, I think these might give Travis Scott a run for their money. But overall, this is a clean shoe. LeBron James has a nice little pair of LV shoes. Let me know what you think about these, sneakerheads, down in the comments. You know, knowing LeBron James, he probably got the bag and everything to match. But this is a nice colorway, in my opinion. And that brown tones with those checkerboard throughout look like a pair of Vans. This is, again, the Air Zoom 2s. I think this is like one of LeBron's first silhouettes that he dropped. I know not right now, he's already on number 20 already, but let me know what you think about these, sneakerheads. So moving on, we have the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 28th of April to the 4th of May. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on April the 30th, we did have those Travis Scotts. This was a collab with the Jordan brand with that Jumpman Jack. Price point for those was $200. Hey, round of applause, Jordan brand. Hey, they did sell out. They did sell out. So nice work there. What's next, my brother?
So moving on, we did have one of the heavy hitters of May. We did have on May 4th, Star Wars Day, the Jordan 4 Industrial Blue. Of course, we know that a lot of people didn't want these. So how did we do? Firstly, I was going to my daughter's graduation, so I did have to put in raffles where they shipped to me at home because I couldn't pick up any in stores. I guess nobody wanted these because guess what we got? All these. End up hitting like 7 pairs of shoes. So it's too many for me. I don't know, should I return these? But, you know, here at our channel, we're trying to give back. So if we get this video to 100 views and 100 likes, we will give a free pair of Jordan 4 military blues away. We do have size 12, size 10, and size 7 and 6.5 in GS sizes. So all you have to do is comment down below your size, either 12, 10 in men's, or 6.5 or 7Y in grade school. So we wish you the best of luck with that competition. Again, the rules is we have to get this video to 100 views and 100 likes. And just to let you know, all our videos go to 100 views, so it's not about the views, it's about liking the video. So go and do your part, sneakerheads. So that's it for this one. So all right, so go ahead.
Hey, and we all about giving back. You know, just check out that video right there. You know, we just trying to get our video up to 100 likes. That's all we asking. We know we're getting the views. We just need the like. And if we get this video right here up to 100 likes, hey, got you a pair of shoes, some J's.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey,
yes, sir.
And if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.